How to play a wildcard on Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily use a wildcard on Fantasy Premier League. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Premier League application and just make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, all you have to do is find the Fantasy tab at the bottom of your screen. Now I'll just tell you guys what the wildcard basically is. So when you go ahead and click on the pick team option, you are able to make different transfers here. So what happens is if you go to the transfers tab, as you can see, I currently have unlimited free transfers, but in certain times when you don't have this perk, it's going to cost you some points on the next match. So before the preparation, if you change the team or transfer players, it's going to cost you some points. So wildcard basically means that you can change any player you want without having to lose any points, or it's not going to cost you any points. So it's going to be free transfers for the wildcard period that's available. So you can just tap on the wildcard option there on the top, and then you can just activate it just like so. Now if you want to transfer any player, tap on any one of the player and then tap on select replacement. Select the player and you should be able to replace them. And that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.